Viewers all over the world, I welcome you all in today's section of Philosophy and Life. We have with us an ordinary evangelist. Sir, you're highly welcome.
Well done.
Please introduce yourself.
My names are Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi Tubelu Oraifite ma ọ bụ Ọmaka Jugo. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi Tubelu Ọdịnala Temple. Anyị na-agba afọ miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you.
Before we proceed with today's questions, is there anything else you wish to say to our viewers?
Viewers all over the world, under the influence of my voice, join in our administration. Keep sharing it. As you are doing this, in our screen, you have phone number for any inquiries, for assistance.
Is there anything like money ritual?
Thank you. Thank you for that wonderful question. The truth of the matter is that there is nothing like Ogwego money rituals. Let me put it in our local parlance. What is there? Nothing like Ogwego. Yes, the Ogwego being when we're in a shop as a trader. Ogwego for you to understand that customer is the key. Have a good customer service. Have a good content. Then understand that you need to rebuild a brand. Yes, rebuild a brand. If you do a brand, if you do a system that will make it possible for you to be leveraging from all the value chains. All the value chains. Example, if you go to market today, you will see Dangote brands. Both from the salt, from the sugar, from every petroleum, everything. The allergy is maybe somewhere in Abuja, but his value chain is there. They have already built a system, and once you build it, it can beat your chest that you have already arrived. You can see the story of that fish magnet. This guy have beginning to build a system from the dry fish, from the live fish, from everything, building a system. And they had even that particular life was not eliminated. I can give you in the next 5 years. The guy will be a great business wealthy man. But you can see, because of everything cut short. So what I can tell you that for you, what is not supposed to be, people are calling Ogwego, is when you become successful and the ihe batalo for the fact that he cannot comprehend it. They can't comprehend it as not secret society. But I can tell you, ego nwere ihe ị ga-eme. Ego niile nwere serial number for CBN. Enwere ihe ị ga-emerịrị, and the ego ga-abịarịrị from either you provide services or you are selling something. That is the principle. And ọ bụrụ inweta ego, you should not continuously remaining rich. Meaning that you continuously doing what you are doing that brings money. But anybody that is deceiving you, give me 5 million, give you 3.5, go borrow of it. Second na pass again, second na Burundi na got and you know na agwa difficult. Then we get about that 5 million in year. I can tell you now why the person remain so called rich. Is you go in window feke to kota nyonya. What do you have there? That particular thing what here there cannot bring money on its own. Thank you.
Right. Sir, are you trying to tell us that from your findings that nobody has gotten rich through money ritual?
No, somebody can become so-called rich through money ritual by onye na-egbu mmadụ and cannibalists onye na-egbu mmadụ na-ele the moment they eri anụ mmadụ. Yes, ha nwere the money but they can do it for anụ mmadụ. Like Idotalo, onye a na-akpọ Clifford Oji, I think 1980 something, enwude na Lagos, ọ ebe ọ na-eri anụ mmadụ. Ọ nwekwara ndị na-abịa egori anụ mmadụ, ndị na-eri for whatever reason. Then, ma ọ bụ ndị na-atụ mmadụ, ọ tọrọ mmadụ for ransom, o nwere ike egbuo. Then onye ofeka na-edewe aha na-ebịara igoro pass ya na-etinye na ite ma ọ tinye n'ọgwụ is useless. Nwere ihe ọ na-arụ. Ihe ọ na-agwa gị ihe abụọ ọparasị na ọka ewere wee mee ncha were nwere nothing nwere ihe ọ na-arụ. Ma akụwara gị etu ọgwụ si arụ ọrụ na tomorrow na next election. Ihe na-achịkọwara gị that na-abụ ihe ọ na-eme ka o wee nwee nnukwute fet na ebe ọwụ na-etide pass mmadụ n'ọrụ. That your mind we hear na-eme okwegosi ike ọdụ ka that nwere ihe ọ na-alụ. But that thing to me is nonsense. So nwere ihe dịka na o nwere paasị mmadụ ma ọ na o nwere ọgwụ ego dị iche na-abụrụ na ịgbara mbọ mee something wee nye gị ego si from CBN. Thank you.
Does joining a secret cult bring wealth?
Yes, average Nigerian believe that now. Average Nigerian what is a secret cult? That mgbe anyị na-etolite anyị pụta fụ ebe ndị grebe si eji ruru gata blood of Jesus fụ ebe ndị ganga ọga ihe niile nwere cult dị ha o nwere ihe niile ahụ ka ngwa wanted. Some of you nwere ike ịpụta because you are quest, you are ignorant of how things work. If you help you weke ya for signboard say commercial na only pole. Also join the Baha Temple of of India. Oga, also they have a grandmaster. We pay 100,000 200,000 ka eme initiate nke aga gị ogi kwe go scam. Nchori. Then abịazie na real esoteric groups. Ihe awụ groups na teach one knowledge or the other. Yes, and for them once you understand the knowledge, they prefer to deal with somebody that have similar knowledge with them. Therefore, if they have opportunity where they are working, they would like to employ or other fellow esoteric knowledge members. Then, or who he be good at, they will recommend you. Yes, that is the only thing. They help each other as a brotherly love. But no with a room, more about I set. Yeah, able to say, you will be disappointed. I can tell you, because I have been in esoteric for over 20 years. And I can tell you, before I join ordinary, I can tell you, even after you initiate or whatever initiating on or whatever or selling or whatever, go out there, be honest in what you are doing, build a brand. By being honest in what you do, definitely gradually what you deserve will come naturally. Man, here our mindset of one shallow mind. Then I watch influenced by Nollywood content. For the nation on our Lord. By the time we challenge, I put if you know what they go there. That is here in a good like I say, nothing. What they go here with on his own. Thank you.
What are your thoughts on the ongoing killings in Igbo land?
My brother, this killings is so alarming. And I can tell you, as somebody who I can tell you that this sense actually karma is there. Nemesis is there. What we are doing in Igbo land is not palatable, and all of us will suffer it. Yes, what I can tell you is that when killings is getting out of hand, and these people we are eliminating is people that they are contributing a unique quota towards making this place a better place. Let me use the fish magnet as an example. This is a young, vibrant guy, handsome guy that some of his mates will be there, being lazy, looking for one sugar mommy or the other. But he decided to give his life a meaning. It's not as if he's from broke home like that. Not, he decided to give his life a meaning, working very hard. That guy is somebody that have already given job opportunity to so many people. Look at the dreams he might go. But had they been there, allow this guy, everything would be so. What I'm saying is that as in taking the life of this particular guy is a minus. The same way with other people that they have eliminated. A lot of them have one thing or the other that they are best in doing. And when some of them that are good film producers, some of them are good in art, some of them are good in this, some of them are good business idea. But today they are no more. Then that vacuum they created, who will fill it? I can tell you that all we Igbos are all losers, because had he been there, Elon Musk is eliminated when he was still young. What he's bringing to the global scene now, will he be there? People that initiated the Android, if they were eliminated, maybe they are from an Igbo, who will bear the cat? People that formed the Omuniwe, they used during the Biafran War, they are no more. But their part is not there. So the same thing, as we are eliminating each other, I can tell you, there was something very individual, unique. On your own, here I contribute. Maybe your idea, somebody can take it and polish it and present it in a different manner. So let's stop on our life in our brothers and sisters, because it's not helping us. It's a minus all through. So there is no gain at all. So I will advise our youth to desist from it, because karma is there. In the foundation time, they knows that commit a dastardly act, the consequence is there. Even in the Bible, this is that the Pharisees said, "Cover this and this and the Igbo manana wallow immaterial now about what you want to. So I'm breaking our youth to desist from such life because the consequence is so much." Thank you.
Is there ever a justifiable reason to take another person's life?
Believe in me, the only justifying level, both legal and the spiritual angle, is when you are defending yourself, self-defense. Yes, when someone want to eliminate you and you'll be able to overpower the person, or you are smart the person, or you're more ready faster than the person. That is it. But if the person is not a threat to your life, you are not permitted to take life, because you cannot create what you cannot eliminate, or destroy what you cannot create. I remember when I was in India. So I visited there. I went to Kuru, Manali, Shimla, and rest of them, and of course Bombay, that is Mumbai, and New Delhi. Now I noticed when I went to northern India, I saw many animals. In fact, as we speak, I walked past an elephant. There's a particular elephant everywhere. And there's a place I came, I see monkeys everywhere. I asked them. They said that these are symbol of the gods. Don't eliminate them. Even snake can come and walk by past. You don't need to understand. It's only when the thing become a threat to your life you are permitted to eliminate. But once the thing is not a danger to your life, you allow the thing to exist. And because of that, now ask, why is it that those animals are not violent? He now told me that because in our place in Africa, we see them as enemy, as a threat. We attack them without any just. Therefore, they become distant. But in their place, they see it as friendly, and it doesn't do them anything. The same thing with Anambra. In Anambra, the python, AK, we don't. AK is not normal. This doesn't do us anything. But maybe it might be helpful to only people that normally use it as pepper soup and whatever. So what I'm saying is that all this you are not permitted to destroy what is not a threat. So, but if your life is on the line, then you can act. But if you don't have any reason to eliminate somebody that did not offend you, and remember, all the consequence because they were assignment. Example, let me give you an example. Now, stop working from achieving here. Don't you think that your father will be mad at the person? The same way Chukwuoke will be mad at you that stop whoever he sent for a message here on earth, and you made the person not to accomplish that work. That don't you think that Chukwuoke will be angry with you for stopping whom he sent? The same way with we just stop from accomplishing that work why the person was sent. Don't you think that those spirits after you? Last long. More money by na fast lane. It's sure to go your life by 20 to 40 years. As case may be. Fast lane brings short life. One more you want to last logonogondo. I want to last long. Name them. Is it the analysis of this word? Is it the Otogo? Is okay? All them. Name them. When you want to make it just last for a short while and go. Is it the legacy you want to do, keep for yourself? And after you must have gone, their family continue suffering it. Both the stigma, both the spiritual angle, they will never come out of it. Thank you.
It's often said that the best form of defense is attack. And in a situation whereby someone threatens your life, that he will deal with you. And in order for you to be on a safe side, you decide to attack the person before the person gets to you. Can that be self-defense or killing?
Yeah, thank you. It depends on the threat. Like me, if you become a threat to me, I don't believe in a verbal attack. Yes, if somebody decided that I will deal with you, I will do this. What I will do, I will take it to Umumu. Tell my Ismail, look at what the person said. I did not offend him. Look at what happened. However, you get messy more physical amalgam no data get threat to me. And when he hear you I keep avoiding the person. Yes. Then man na the person now busy with maybe a weapon. Then and you for the fact that in the kemun kucha. Man can amalgam boku roku amalgam obo ni logi. You know kezin kucha. ike nkwụcha abụrụkwa ụjọ ike nkwụcha o nwezie ka o si wee na-abịa ka ọ bịa fụ ọmọ na ịdọ ọchị na darkness then wee hit the person. That one is self defense. Mana ọ bụrụ na onye nwere ihe o mere gị ọ bụrụ na egbe ọnụ ka ọ gbara onwe ndị na-agba egbe ọnụ ọgbacha egbe ọnụ na-abịa ọ bụrụ na egbe ọnụ ka ọ gbara gị nwanyekwa agba egbe ọnụ na mmụọ ka ebunufụ ndị kwụ atụrụ daalụ.
What's your advice to the youth of today?
Yes, youth of nowadays, my advice is that ọ bụrụ ihe aka inu na-ada na ntị ka ọ na-atọ n'ụtọ. There's no gain in following fast lane. Ihe agụtara na Eze-Ana eju afọ. Ihe ọbụla onye ọbụla na-asị gị jee banye fast lane ka ị banye into crime ka ị wee no onye ụgwọ ọnwa ya ezuru over time ahịa ezu onwere gain dị na fast lane. Ụdị ọbụla ochi wee look at it because one, agwụgwọ m ụnụ na ndị ọbụla ị na-ebi n'ụwa nwere horizontal and vertical. Horizontal bụ etu o si gbasa gị na chi gị na mmụọ gị na ha so. Vertical wee etu o si gbasa mmadụ ibe of equal arms. So etu ahụ o si gbasa gị na mmadụ ihe ọbụla ị metara the consequence dị ya to your fifth generation. Onye ka m ancient book wee sị na ihe ọbụla mmadụ metara a na-eji ajọ omume nke ndị bụ nna wee leta ụmụ ha tolite the fourth generation. So etu a ka ọ dịkwa ị na-ebi ajọ ndụ family ga-ata afụ onwe oge ọ ga-eruo mmadụ kpaa afọ nwa gị afa gị onwe nwa gị sibịa asị na ya bụ nwa dị etu a ya sị oke na anụgo m ihe i kwuru I will think about it and get back to you. You will never get back because of ajọ omume email. So you keep a good legacy and it will hurt your family till at the stage ha ghara ha ka ha gbanwee afa gị. So ka m kwụsị ebe a ihe na-achịkọwa bụ learn how to avoid fast lane. Ihe ọgaranya na chi onwe ndị chi edelu na n'ụwa ụtụtụ 25-30 years ọkpata gị ego nwee ndị edere uwe ihe nwere ike within 30 to 60 years ọkpata ego nwa onye edere ngụwa mgbede then 60 to 90 na 60 to 90 o nwere ike ofu oge abata ofu onye abịa n'ọnwụ ya ma ofu nwa dị ya na ya ebute ike ịghọtara ya etu a. So ka anyị hapụrụ onye mmadụ anyị agbakarịkiri okwu ya n'ọsọ hapụ bụrụ oge ihe edekwana lezi na-agba mbọ hapụ ihe ka uche Chukwu mee. Thank you.
Dalu. Viewers all over the world, we have come to an end on today's edition of Philosophy and Life. If you have any question based on today's teaching, you can DM Eze-Ana with the WhatsApp number showing on your screen. For more inquiries, deep consultation, Alpha, you can as well DM him with that same number. It's nice having you here today.
Thank you, Mr. Moderator.
Thanks for your time. Before we go, any advice for our viewers?
Viewers all over the world, keep following us, keep joining us. Chat yam na WhatsApp 0805-7837-672. May the blessing of Chukwu keep me be with you all. I love you all.